You know that viral feta pasta that broke the internet. Yeah, it was good, but today we're making it legendary. This is the upgraded Lazy Girl. One pan feta pasta 2.0. Same comfort, double the flavor, and zero effort. Let's begin. Grab a baking dish and toss in 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. Keep them whole for that juicy burst later. Add 5 cloves of garlic, just smashed, not minced. We want that mellow roasted flavor. Now, here's the game changer. 1 small red onion, thinly sliced. It adds that sweet caramelized edge the original recipe was missing. Drop in a whole block of feta cheese, right in the center. Drizzle everything generously with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a pinch of salt and pepper. And now, my favorite upgrade, add half a teaspoon of honey. That's the secret balance between creamy, salty, and slightly sweet. Bake this at 200 degrees Celsius until your tomatoes blister and your feta looks like a golden cloud of dreams. While that magic happens, cook 200 grams of pasta, any shape you love, but penne or fusilli works best. Reserve half a cup of pasta water before draining. Once your feta pan comes out of the oven, here's where the magic happens. Take a fork and smash everything together. The tomatoes burst, the feta melts, and suddenly you've got a creamy, tangy sauce happening right in your pan. Now add the cooked pasta straight in, along with that splash of pasta water to loosen it up. Toss until every piece is coated in that silky feta goodness. Finish with a handful of fresh basil and, if you're feeling fancy, a small drizzle of olive oil on top. Now, taste that. That's not just feta pasta anymore. That's a dinner that tastes like you spent hours, when really it was just 1 pan and almost no effort. And here's the best part. It reheats beautifully and the flavors deepen overnight. Perfect for lazy days, busy nights, or when you want to impress without trying too hard. So the next time someone says, "What's for dinner?" you already know. Lazy Girl 1 pan feta pasta 2.0. Easy, creamy, and dangerously addictive.